Good day everyone. So welcome again sa ating math classroom with your teacher Dan. For today's video, we're going to discuss the volume with unit cubes. Okay, so volume, it is the amount of space occupied in our solid figure or in our space figure. So kung ilan ang ino-occupy sa ating solid figure. So volume, it is measured on the number of cube. Okay? Cubic unit. So, binibilang lang natin kung ilang cube meron sa ating solid figure. So, number of cubes or yung cube natin or pwede natin sabihin how many cubic unit ang meron sa ating space figure. So, meron tayong dalawang way para mahanap kung ilan cubes ang meron sa ating space figure. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng formula na base. Bibilangin lang natin kung lang yung nasa base. Tapos, ita-times natin yan sa number ng cubes na meron sa ating height. Or, pwede rin natin sabihin na length, ilan cubes sa length, ilan cubes sa width, at ilan cubes sa height. So, gagamitin natin yung dalawang way na to para mahanap ang number of cubes dito sa ating tatlong example. Okay? Simulan natin sa example number 1. So, gamitin muna natin ang formulang B of V is equal to base times the height. So, ang base natin dyan yung ibabaw. So, bilangin natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, ang ating base dito is 18 times ang ating height na 1, 2. So, 2 times 18, the answer is 36. So, lagyan natin ng CU. Ibig sabihin ng CU, it's cubic unit. Okay, so that is the answer natin sa number 1 using the B times H. Okay, the big letter B. Or, try natin naman yung isang formula na V. Okay, volume is equal to length times width times the height. Ang length natin dito, it's eto, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ang ating length. And then, width natin, 1, 2, 3. So, times 3 times ang ating height na 1, 2. So, mayroon tayong 2. Okay, so the volume here, 6 times 3, 18 times 2. The answer is 36 cubic unit. So that is how we find the volume using the two formula, just counting the number of cubes meron sa ating solid figure. Let's have question number 2. So ang ating gagamitin ng formula is B times our H. Okay? So ang B natin dito, yung base natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So meron tayong 10 na cube sa ating base times ang ating height, 1, 2. So we have 2. So ang ating volume dito, it's 10 times 2. The answer is 20. Lagyan natin ng CU. Ibig sabihin ng CU ay cubic unit. Okay, let's try again yung ating second formula. Pwede natin yung gamitin. We have length times width times our height. Ang ating length, mahaba, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang ating width, 1 and 2. At ang ating height is 1 and 2. Dalawa din. So, ang ating volume dito, it's 5 times 2, 10 times 2. That is 20 cubic unit. Okay, so the same answer. Either you use the first formula or the second formula. Let's have the question number 3. Volume is equal to B base times our height. Ang base natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 ang ating base. Ang ating height, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3. So, volume here is 9 times 3. That is 27. Lagyan natin ng cubic unit. That is our volume for question number 3. Let's try the second formula. Volume is length times width times height. So, the same lang yan. Base times height or length times width times height. The same lang yan. Tinatry lang natin if we get the same answer using the formula. Okay? So, length natin, 1, 2, 3. Ang ating width is 1, 2, 3. 3 din. Ang ating height, 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 times 3 times 3. The volume natin is 27 cubic units. Okay, so that is how we find the volume with cubic units using the formula B of B times H, or length times width times height. So just count the number of cubes, you got your volume of your solid figure.